We're seeing a lot of growth in the market around guarantor loans. Now, this enables people, particularly young people, to get into the property market sooner with a minimum or even no deposit at times. Now, what happens is a family member will usually guarantee part of the loan. Now, I'll explain that a little bit in a minute. It also makes easier loan approval, and it also allows us to access better rates because people will be below that 80% LMI effectively. Now, once upon a time, guarantor loans were guarantees in serviceability, where, say, your mum and your dad would guarantee the loan. If you defaulted, the bank would ask them to keep paying the loan. That doesn't exist like that anymore. What happens now is there's a guaranteeing of the loan above 80%. So effectively, if the security of the guarantor is good, i.e. their house, for instance, you can effectively borrow the whole amount plus cost, could be 105%, and still avoid lender's mortgage insurance and still get access to the best rates. That's the advantage of them. So effectively the guarantor, the person making the guarantee, is using a portion of their equity to guarantee the loan of their relatives. So the great thing about this, like I said, it enables people to get into the property market. There's also issues with it too, that obviously it's a lot more complicated. You're involving another party, you're making it a lot more legal issues involved. What happens in terms of default? What happens in terms of if the guarantor wants to sell the property that they're providing the security for instance? In that case, normally the guaranteed amount when they sell would need to be held in term deposit, and if they go and buy another house, then that would be transferred to the new house. It's a big commitment and legal issues are involved, but it can be done, and it is been happening a lot more, particularly in markets like Sydney, where median house prices are over the $1 million mark, and people are feeling they need to help, their kids, relatives get into the property market. So there's a lot more of it going on. It's just, as usual, a lot more involved in it. But if you need to find out more about them, just reach out. I'm here to help, and you take care.